Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram following random accounts. To know how to fix Instagram following random accounts, you should just go to settings as you see like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, and when you will see this list you will enter to application of Instagram as you see. Then here in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After all that, you will enter to click here clear cache. Then you will click clear data, and after that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.